Hi there, welcome to the Spy Store. Today we'll be looking at our personal alarm that connects with Apple Find My. First thing we'll do, we'll unbox, see what's inside. So we have the device itself. It also has a carabiner, so you can clip onto your keys, belt buckle or bag, or wherever you might want to store this device. Also comes with a charging cable, which is USB-C. Also got a nice easy instruction manual that tells you step by step how to set it up and how to use the product. To turn the device on, press the button on the back and double tap it to make sure that it's ready for connection. To connect the device, we need to make sure the device is switched on and factory reset. To reset the device, we'll hold the back button down for 8 seconds until it makes a noise and the light flashes red. This means we're ready for connection. We now go to our phone, select items and then add other item. It comes up AF-2004-tag. We select this and connect. We must enter a name, so we'll call this test, and it'll ask us to choose an emoji, smiley face, continue, and then agree. Now we're connected. Once we're connected, we can see where the device is on our phone, no matter where we are in the world. Now we've got the device connected, we can go through and have a look at the ways to use it. Firstly, we'll scroll up and we can play a sound. So if we lose the device, we can press play sound. This just allows us to find it. If we attach it to our keys, we found the keys. Another great setting of this is we can notify us when we leave it behind. So if it's on our person and we leave the vicinity, we'll get a notification on our phone to say we've left without our device. These devices, as they work with Apple Find My's network, it means that they do need to be within Bluetooth range of an iPhone to work. Now this can be any iPhone, but as long as it's an Apple product, this will bounce its signal off that iPhone to let you know where it is on your account. We can also use the phone to play a sound if we've lost the device, so we can then find it easily. With the alarm on the device, the alarm starts when this end bit is pulled out. When you pull it out, it creates a very loud alarm. To stop it, just put the clip back in. The device also doubles as a torch. Just by pressing the grey button on the back, we'll get torch, flashing, off. If you'd like to know any more about this great product, feel free to get in touch with our great customer service team here at the Spy Store. Thank you.